Welcome everybody. I made this video to show you how the bike looks with these turn indicators combined with this taillight and share some info about the installation and the wiring. The indicators have conventional bulbs. They're plastic but good quality overall. I got them from Buckeye workshop, France, along with these metal brackets used to mount the front ones on the lower triple clamp. The taillight is LED and comes from Tech Bike Parts. It has a metal casing, a nice black finish and a clear window for number plate illumination, but more on this later. Also, I got from them a wiring kit that makes the installation a lot easier. Links below in the description for all that stuff. Well, I made these choices because I wanted to tidy up the tail and remove the front indicators from the headlight brackets, while retaining as possible the retro character of the bike without spending a lot. About the installation now, the front indicators are easy to install. Inside the headlight housing you find the white and black connectors. I used the stock connectors because I didn't have any spare at the moment and I wanted to get the job done. It's good to know though that they cannot be installed directly on the stock headlight brackets without some kind of modification because the threaded part is not long enough. Also, to be mounted as you see them here, you need to make or buy an extension. The brackets are designed to be positioned at the bottom of the triple clamp, sharing the same spot with the cable and brake line brackets, and they come with their own longer bolt. Here you see the connector that the wiring kit plugs into directly. About the connections now, the stock wire color coding for the taillight is as follows. Black is the ground, grey the running light and green the brake light. For this specific taillight the wiring goes like this: black to black, red to green, blue to grey. To mount the taillight you have to drill 2 holes on the backen plate. I used a 5mm drill. It doesn't matter how you connect the indicators because they have common bulbs and the current can flow either way, unlike LEDs where polarity matters. If you go for LED blinkers, the black wire is ground and the one with a colored stripe is the positive. Well, everything worked fine and I'm happy with the results. The only problem is that the taillight illuminates only the backside of the license plate if you use the stock plate holder. So if you want it to do its job properly, you have to move the plate closer to the fender. At some point I'll do a modification and a quick video about it. I'll let you know. Well, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay safe.